Hello guys, it's me Sneha. So I am back after many days. I guess I am back after 15 days. So uh, everyone everyone is asking me about how I got internship at IIT Ropar. So recently I have got internship at IIT Ropar, and everyone is asking me what my college juniors and friends that how I got it. So basically, I am from Alipurduar Government Engineering and Management College, a very new Tier 3 college. So I got internship from IIT Ropar in this summer. So basically, I applied for VINS, Bicharanshala Lab, Billet Labs. It's the name is Billet Lab of IIT Ropar. So I applied through that program only. I don't apply through the official program. आई नो हमारे कॉलेज से लाइक इधर से ये टायर 3 वाले कॉलेज का लोग सोचते हैं कि इंटर्नशिप मिलना बहुत ही like huge opportunity like in this premier institute like IITs and NITs. So I'm telling you, no, it's not that like difficult or like this. It is very easy. You can apply through many program. Also, you can mail the professors. So how I applied is I applied through WINS program as I said, and Sudarshan sir. The lab was led by Professor Sudarshan Iyengar, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ CSE IIT रोपर. एंड सो लाइक फेब्रुआरी मार्च के दिक उन्होंने एक मेल दिया था. उसका जो मेल आईडी है दैट वी हैव टू मेल ऑन दैट मेल. So I scrolled on LinkedIn and I found that post that internship at IIT Ropar, and I sent my resume and all in that email that was given by Professor Sudarshan Iyengar sir. So after that I think we got shortlisted, and after that a lab was asking for the basically this is very AI. So it's very AI generation lab. So professor was asking us to like join a WhatsApp group. After that they shared um, a link through email that we got shortlisted and we have to give an interview in Yaksha. So Yaksha is a AI assistant basically, which is for the entire internship period. So whenever we get any questions or we don't know the answer, we have to ask Yashka. After that, we interviewed through that AI platform. Then whoever completed the interview or relevant according to this internship, they got selected, and they offered two types of internship. So basically, this Bicharanshala lab of IIT Ropar offered two types of internship. One is VINS, and another one is VICE. So the VICE program is on-campus program. You have to go to the campus, IIT Ropar campus, and you got your internship done there. But because my end sem is on July, so I can't go to IIT Ropar like in May. We have to go to IIT Ropar in 15 May only. If I got selected, we got selected for VICE. So that's why I can't go there in 15 May because my NSEM is going on till 15 of July. So तब तक तो internship ही खत्म हो जाएगा. So that's why I joined VINS, and we got mail for shortlisted, and I will attach the mail. And it is my first ever internship, which is remote. I did an internship before also. I am doing some projects in with various professor, but this is very new experience to me. And till now we have completed 4 to 5 days of internship, and it is going very well. So if you have any question if you have any question regarding the interview and like regarding the process of applying in this specifically internship, you can comment here, and also you can connect me on LinkedIn so that I can reply to you. And all the best. और मेरा गेट प्रिपरेशन भी चल रहा है क्योंकि मेरा सेमेस्टर भी आने वाला है. सो थैंक यू गाइस, बाय.